To connect your YouTube channel to OBS Studio for live streaming, begin by selecting the video content you plan to stream. Then click the Settings button located in the bottom right corner of the interface. When the Settings window appears, choose the Stream category from the left-hand menu. In the Stream settings, open the Service drop-down and select YouTube, then choose the option to use a stream key. To obtain your YouTube stream key, start by opening your browser and going to Google, then type YouTube Studio in the search bar and click the official link from the results. Once YouTube Studio opens, look at the upper right corner of the page and select Go Live. This will take you into the YouTube Live control room. When the Live panel loads, focus on the menu located on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find the Stream Key section, which displays the unique key required to link OBS with your YouTube channel. Click the option to reveal or copy the key and make sure to keep it private. Return to OBS Studio and paste the key into the Stream Key field. After pasting it, click Apply and then OK. Once saved, OBS will be fully connected to your YouTube channel and ready to start streaming whenever you click Start Streaming.